Meaning of discovery.
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 Discovery. Discovery refers to the act of finding or uncovering something that was previously unknown, hidden, or unexplored. It can involve the identification of new ideas, concepts, information, or physical objects. The result of a discovery can vary depending on what is uncovered, but it often leads to an expansion of knowledge and understanding, and may have significant implications for areas such as science, technology, history, and culture. Overall, discovery serves as an important driver of progress and innovation, helping to push the boundaries of human understanding and knowledge.